First thing Matthew lied about was, hey, it's on the first floor. We can't even see the truck down there. I'm just don't even... Careful, there's bugs.
Oh my God, I'm telling you.
Come on, come on.
Look at all this.
This can't all go. Well, he's gonna end up very upset.
Is he declining your calls?
I feel you duped me.
Duped?
I did not dupe you.
It's not our job either, but all this stuff...
I don't have time for this. I'm not... That's not my... do you have any words to say about this?
No, I'm flabbergasted.
I'm beyond flabbergasted.
That's how red I am.
Matthew had the audacity to tell me that he doesn't like my tone because I told him, F you. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates, got Salt Princess here. We're at the flea market. We'll do a quick pick before we go do our other job. We're getting paid a handful of cash to go to an apartment today in San Francisco. This is gonna be an interesting day.
Throw it out.
What?
Throw it out.
Throw it out.
Both sides. Mikey, what's up? Hey,
Mike. Look at this. Hi. The Jeep tends to still up.
Yeah, but they're not really much there. A lot of costume.
Yeah, I know. Take a look at the China. It's not Pyrex. It's the old China. It's not too
Yeah.
nice. No, that was
Joe Montana.
Yeah. This is a USC National Championship football. I'm asking $750 for.
Oh, right there.
I don't want to.
Vita Blue. It's another A's one, 1971.
I love Vita Blue. He could pitch when he was a kid.
How much is that ball?
$20.
With the Vita Blue?
Yeah.
I'll take it. I had to fight off with the shirts.
What?
Still had to fight off with the shirts. This one doesn't have a hole on the bottom now. Like this one. Oh, you screwed it on there. How much you selling one of these for, man?
$10.
Do all of them mount to these little stands?
No, just these one. I got some more of these in the back in the box though. But these are supposed to go like this. Boom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But this is the only one that got the little stand.
Which one makes more? Yeah. Which one makes more sense?
It's trickier.
Well, this could probably fit my light box when I get one in my room. Just the half.
I could do one for $5 for the OG though, man.
No, it's not the price. I just seen if it. And we are off to see the Wizard. No, I'm just kidding. We're on our way to San Francisco. Uncle Mike was driving the U-Haul. We're going to clean out this estate, I guess you can call it. Not really something I like doing these days. Time is money, and I got an endless supply of merch, so it's not like I like going and cleaning out stuff people left behind. My buddy was out of town, told him no. He bribed me. He said, Mike, I need you to do this. I said, no. He's like, well, I'm going to give you $1,000 cash on top of you getting 75% of the sale. I said, no, I still can't do it. And then he's like, okay, I'm going to give you this box of sterling silver Judith Ripka stuff. Tricked me into it. He basically bribed me. So here we are. Turns out person passed away. They're cleaning out the apartment so they can sell it. There's not a lot of smalls that I was shown in the photos. It seemed like it's all pretty much antique style furniture. We're about to get there. We'll do a walkthrough, show you everything, and then we'll end this video with a little bit of sales and what we got out of it. Are you excited to move stuff on an apartment in San Francisco?
Oh, I'm so excited.
You just can't hide it?
I can't.
I'm about to lose my mind and I think I like it. No, all right. First thing Matthew lied about was, hey, it's on the first floor. We can't even see the truck down there. Everything's got to go. I've been in this apartment, I swear. Uncle Michael will be using this a lot.
Oh yeah, they're all singles. Sure they are, Matt. King size bed right up top.
And we need tools?
No.
No?
Right here. Yeah, we're gonna need tools. We're gonna bolt together.
Oh my God.
Oh my, look at all this. There's the elk head along so bad.
What?
This elk head.
Is he coming to get that?
He said that stayed.
No, that's all us.
No, he said the elk head stayed.
No, the buffalo head, didn't
This
he?
is no single bed.
Let me get in here. Trying to do a walkthrough here, Uncle Mike.
Hello?
What, are we going there?
There's a couch against this door. We're
All
going
right.
to that room.
Let's go into this room. Okay. Continuing on.
Two big couches. That's what we said right there. If you want it. Oh, look at that peacock.
Yeah, who are we gonna damage those?
Did you say we're gonna damage them?
Yeah. Cause look at them.
Maybe go in the back seat or something.
My God.
There's only one. There's little birds. Peacock.
The mantle doesn't go, right? This place is a little messy.
It's built in.
Couch is garbage.
Garbage.
Yeah, this is garbage.
Ultramar.
This is kind of cute though.
And it's a hide-a-bed, I'm pretty sure. This one is.
Oh,
No, it's just horrible.
this is garbage.
It's just horrible.
All right. Okay.
Does that little TV work?
The house cool. Oh, look at that bird.
Yeah, look at that one. They said it was an elk head.
It's in there in the wall.
Oh. What? He said a buffalo.
Yeah, buffalo does.
Oh, you know what? He probably took what he wanted.
No, this is what he wanted, he said. Or I think
I could have swore he said a buffalo head.
it said moose. Or elk.
He better come get it.
You better come get it.
Somebody's in the bed. Look at all these dressers.
I know.
Look at all these clocks. You're supposed to...
That's scary.
What, somebody's under there? Some nice beds, right?
And beautiful beds. We're going to Alameda with them.
Oh, God.
OMG.
Are you kidding me?
Get mask. Wow. It all ain't going. I hate to say that.
That's gonna suck them to come back.
There's 4 couches alone. Where's the silver set talking about?
I think he took that already. I think he took what he wanted. This looks kind of nice right here, though, Uncle Mike. This is what caught my attention, was this set right here. With the speakers. Oh, look at that. There's some nice stuff here. Look at this thing right here.
I know.
We can't damage that because I want that. There's some cool stuff. We didn't bring enough boxes.
Not nearly enough boxes. But we're getting all furniture.
Wow.
Why?
Couches can go in the back of the truck, right?
So we're putting all mattresses in mine.
I don't know what we're doing. We're just going to do it. Look, we got a camera collection. There's a Petrie. Oh, look at these. I mean, there's some cool things here, but...
There's a lot of cool things. There's a lot more work than it was. He was making it sound like.
Yeah. There's a cool lamp. The organs. I'm guessing he took the silver set. I guess we're going to go down and look at the basement now. Do you want to?
Well, we're gonna see it. I mean, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna come back and we'll get everything we can right now, I guess. But yeah, there's good.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're all singles. You're in a single bed in this house.
All right. I'm just don't even... Careful. There's bugs.
Oh my God, I'm coming.
Come on. Come on.
What is this?
I don't know. We're trying to find...
It's some Goonies type stuff.
What is this?
It's a little corridor.
Yeah, but how do we get into... No?
That must be it, because that goes upstairs.
Okay, so...
Serious, Matthew. Come on. Look at all this.
This can't all go. There's two people's stuff here, right?
I think that, I want to say, I think that one's theirs. I could be wrong. I don't know.
Is there a light in here? Nick, all fixtures. So if it says Nick, it doesn't go.
What's that now?
Nick means it doesn't go. Nick, 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 Nick. Nickelodeon. That's a nice clock right there. Bet that goes. I hope that goes, because that's nicer than the clocks upstairs. Which doesn't go here, guys.
I think it all goes.
No, it's not. Is that the singles he was talking about? Everyone choke Matthew? Raise your hand. Raise your hand in the comments section.
I didn't even got into it, Matthew.
Why did you agree?
That is a nice oil painting right there, though.
That's about it. Everything else is going to go in here, Mike.
There is some good stuff here, though, guys. This is long run. This is some money here. It's kind of worth it. We gotta go.
$1,000, he needs to come up with some more money.
Well, we get the money. Sell the stuff is where the money comes in, Uncle Michael. Your concern is not how I make mine.
No, my concern is how I get mine.
I pay you, so quit crying. I don't know, though. There's a lot of freaking stuff.
Oh, yes.
Well, there's some boxes we can pick up.
Oh, yeah, look at those priority boxes. How come we don't have access to those? I just want to know what goes in here. Look at this cane.
I don't think we need to worry about this too much right now.
Because that's a store.
This one's empty. If it goes, we can use it.
These are nice right here.
Just like last time we did the same situation.
Well, he's going to end up very upset.
Is he declining your calls?
No,
No, because you will like that. I'm very disappointed in you right now, Matthew.
Okay, then I'll spank you with a leather strap.
I feel you duped me.
A dupe.
I did not dupe you. I did not dupe you. You're getting money. You're getting 3/4 of that stuff, and you're getting all that jewelry. There's no duping.
No duping.
I feel duped.
I do too.
No, there's no duping. Look how cool the ceiling is, though.
Oh, yeah, that
God,
stays,
that's
Matthew.
the one
The ceiling stays.
Look at the ceiling.
Oh, God. I got to go. I got to get to work, so I'm...
All right.
We're going to need some more money, Matt.
I'll
That's all
talk
there
to you
is
later.
I'm not happy.
Uncle Mike, I'll bring you something cool.
I don't want anything cool. I'm a cash man.
Uncle Michael don't like nothing but cash.
I know. I'll bring him Johnny.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
I'll bring him some Johnny Cash. All right, bye.
Obviously, I see things right off the bat that are a little better than others, so I'm going to make little piles real quick in my box of all the stuff that I don't want to go to the flea market. Then from there, we'll go ahead and pack up the rest. Yves Saint Laurent? No. There's some cool stuff, don't get me wrong. It's just not what I was promised. Okay. Marble. These are cool cards, don't get me wrong. So we got some dinkies, some tinky toys. I'm trying my best to not get upset with Matthew right now. That's what I'm doing. So right off the bat, I'm telling you, these have some money. The NOLA Boxer speakers, these have a little bit of value. I'm looking those up. Those have some bucks. Then what do we have here? We have a Project, right? This is a freaking very nice record player. And then I don't know what this is. This is a very expensive little set here, so I'm kind of happy for that. This is actually what made me want to buy the unit or do the work for this stuff, because I thought this was expensive. I don't know what this record player is, but we're gonna go ahead and put this in my truck.
An angel?
Are they old? No, these are more like he did this as a hobby, huh?
I can't tell.
That's still cool though, we'll sell that. The clocks are exquisite.
Exquisite, he said.
There, you know, it's not our job either, but all this stuff Greg, I need your help. You guys, you can't.
This is why I don't work for anybody. This is why, man.
Where he live at?
So apparently my friend had this agreement that I was supposed to take everything. Everything in the house was going to be sold, and they were only taking a record collection. Woman's brother passed away. She's on the other side of the country, and her friends show up and supposed to grab a few smalls of personal items in the record collection. Well, turns out this lady comes in trying to just grab everything we already got loaded. I'm talking hockey sticks and baseball bats and little $5 tables. She's like, we're taking this to help, we're selling this for her. You're supposed to haul the garbage out of the cupboards. I lost my cool. I took a walk, collect myself, wait for the person to call. Apparently, lady went rogue, is my friend saying, and we took everything off the truck and left. She's like, well, you're supposed to just take 3 dressers. I'm like, I just rented a $400 truck, hired 2 guys to come do this job that we're under contract for, and you're not supposed to be taking none of this. I don't have time for this. That's not my... do you have any words to say about this?
No, I'm flabbergasted.
I'm beyond flabbergasted.
That's how red I am.
Matthew had the audacity to tell me that he doesn't like my tone, because I told him, you. We're not cool no more. I'm out, and I'm done helping you, because every time this is what happens.
You said I don't like your tone.
He sends me messages of the woman's what their agreement was. I'm at a loss for words right now. That what the greed that people go through. Like you expect me to come out here and I'm supposed to. Don't have better things to do than haul cups out of your 3rd floor apartment, and. Whew, I'm bewildered right now. I'm gonna keep myself calm. I'm done talking. I just gotta. All right, now that I've had a chance to get home, had a chance to unwind, process what happened, the only thing to say is I'm always grateful, even in the worst of times. Things transpire, and it's out of your control. It's how you choose to react. I almost lost my cool. I told myself, like you heard me say, I lost it, but I really do. Mentally, I was like about to check out, but I just took a walk before I said something to the lady, and I decided, you know what? I'm not going to let this get to me. I told them I'm putting everything on the curb. That's what we did. We put it on the curb, and I'm leaving. I'm not going to do this job. This is not what I was signed up for. This is not what you agreed with my friend. That's what Matt said. He basically said the woman went rogue, and that she decided to keep everything with her friend when it was on contract for me to haul it off. And I'm not there to do it on my, you know, whatever. I was gonna miss Sugar Cookie's birthday, so I'm grateful for that. I actually got to come home and make her birthday party. Today is her birthday party. She had a birthday the other day, so don't forget to comment below. Happy birthday, Sugar Cookie. We got all the kids over. You can see all the festivities going on right there. See, for me, I don't think in these moments of always, you know, in the average YouTuber, I think, oh, this is the time to film. We can exploit this. Let's call this person out. I don't really think like that. When I get mad, like the last thing I want to do is film the controversial part of it, you know, show a person things getting hectic. I don't usually think like, so I didn't actually film none of the escalated situation, us unloading this stuff, et cetera, because it is what it is. And we're about to spend our day in peace having a birthday party. So let that be a lesson. Sometimes working, helping others, it doesn't always benefit you. That's why I try to just stick to my path here and do what's best for the pirate. When you delve out and help others do their things, it tends to bite you in the behind. And I ain't got time for that. So let that be a lesson. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, subscribe if you don't already, get the notifications set all, and say something pretty like, pirate, glad you didn't lose it.